In vocabulary strategies today, we're going to talk about the prefixes con, com, in, and im. All right, remember that a prefix is an affix and it's added to the beginning of a base word or root. A prefix changes the meaning of the word to which we add it to. All right, knowing the meaning of a prefix and the meaning of the base word or root is going to help you to figure out the meaning of any unfamiliar words that might contain the word parts or prefixes. All right, on your screen, the first two words are impassable and inaccurate. You can see the prefix on the impassable is im, and on inaccurate, our prefix is in. When I see a word with a prefix, okay, I think of the meaning of the prefix first. And then I put the prefix's meaning together with the base word's meaning. So, I know that the prefixes im and in can mean not. Okay, and this helps me to figure out that impassable, okay, passable means to be able to move around. Impassable means not able to be moved around. Okay, inaccurate, I know that accurate means that it is correct or true. So inaccurate means not correct or true. Okay. Now, the prefix con, C-O-N, is a short form of the prefix contra, which means against. That prefix con can also mean with. Okay. So then you have the prefix com, and that usually means with or together. Okay, so many words that contain those two prefixes, they can't be divided into a base word and a prefix. Instead, they're just kind of made up of word parts that can't stand alone. Okay, so here's some examples. Consent, considerate. Okay, siderate is not a word by itself if you take con and make that the prefix. Company. Punny is not a base word if you say com is the prefix. So you see what I mean? Okay, so when you have words like this, you can also use the context of an unfamiliar word that has those prefixes con, com, in, or im, and you can always confirm word meanings in a dictionary if you need to. Let's read the first sentence. That museum display is incomplete. All right, in sentence number 1, what is the word with a prefix? Right, incomplete. Okay, so then it asks what's the base word? What's the base word for incomplete? Right, complete. Just take the IN off. So the meaning of the word with the prefix, remember in means not. So the meaning of the word with the prefix is not complete. Then you're going to write a new sentence. That museum display is not complete. Okay? Or you could make an entirely new sentence using that prefix. The building is incomplete. Okay, meaning it's not complete. It's not done. It's still being built. Okay, so there is not a reader's notebook page. So I'm going to have you pause this video. Work on 2, 3, and 4 with your learning adult. You can do this on a sheet of lined paper, or you can just discuss them like we just did with number 1, whichever is best and fits your learning style the best. But you are going to work on the remaining sentences, identify and define the words with prefixes, and use those words in sentences. Okay? Remember, you can always check each word's meaning in a dictionary if you need to.